Alright guys, welcome back. I didn't know if I was going to get to fish this week. I got a lot of craziness going on, but I'm out here exploring the river again, and we're going to see if we can get on some trout. You know me, I gotta get my fishing in, so that's what I'm going to do by all means necessary. If I ain't fishing, I ain't living, so I got to get it. I'm coming up to a spot here in the river. There's a nice opening and it's looking pretty good, so I'm gonna get a few casts, see if we can get some brown trout, maybe some rainbow trout. Hopefully it'll be a good day. It's a little bit late, so I'm just gonna be doing a lot of hopping around this river, trying to get on these fish, and hopefully we can get some. So we only have a few hours, so let's see what we can hook into. The river seems like it's running pretty calm right here and really still water, so I'm going to cast it over where it's deeper. This part of the river breaks off in two sections, one coming in from the right here and the other from the left, and they meet right here. So I'm just going to toss it in the middle. Hopefully there's some fish sitting in there waiting to ambush some prey. Hopefully we can get one. So I'm just going to fan cast this everywhere. Just working the whole section of the river right here. I've gotten like, I don't know, 6 casts and I haven't gotten anything yet. I'm on my knees, guys, because I don't want my shadow going into the river over the water and spooking any fish if there's any in there, because the bite seems really tough right now. So I want to take every advantage that I can against these fish. I know there's fish in here. Got one, guys. We're hooked up. Yes. Got him. We got him, finally. Where's my net? Not on the other side. We got him, guys. We got the brown. Oh, there he is. Oh, he came off. Damn it. Damn it. Oh. Break. I knew it. What happened is I left my net on the other side and I went to boat flip them and that fish just came off. Damn it. Frustrating. Okay guys, I got my net here. I won't be making that mistake again. Now let's see if we can catch them again. Or another one. That last fish hit where that section of the river was coming in. So I'm just going to try to replicate it and keep casting in there. I was getting a little discouraged because I've been here for a good 20 minutes and no bites. And then over to my right, a fish broke the surface. So here we go, fish, got him. Oh, this one feels bigger, or he's a fighter. And I do have my net right here. Here we go, baby. Fish on. He's right by the bank. Dang, man, I'm so excited right now. Oh yeah, he's a fighter. He's a fighter. I think he's smaller than that last one. Dang, I gotta extend my net. Okay, we're ready. We're ready. I think it's a rainbow. What is that? Fish! Fish! I gotta take a minute to compose myself, guys. My heart is pumping. As much as I go fishing, I still get excited every time I catch fish. I just love it so much. Get the hook out. There we go. Beautiful brown trout. Check out that beautiful brown trout, guys. That's the first fish of the day. Let's go. Alright guys, let's let that fish go. Beautiful brown trout. Absolutely healthy. There it goes. Yes. So what I think is happening is they're sitting there waiting for that food to come in from that stream. So I'm just gonna cast in there and bring my bait in through there. Just retrieving it really slow, well, medium speed, not too fast. I want those fish to be able to see the bait and have enough time to catch up to it and hit it. Every once in a while I'll give it a pop, but mainly just retrieving it medium to slow. Fish, guys, big fish. Oh no. Let's get it. Let's get it. Big fish, guys, big fish. Here we go. Get that ready. He's not fighting very much right now. I know when I bring him in, he will. Stay calm. There he is. There's he. There's the down. Another down. Big one, guys. One of the biggest ones I caught here. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Get in there, yes. Yes. Oh. Oh, look at that fish. Look at that fish. Look at that fish. Oh my God. That was crazy, but we got him. Big brown trout right there. Yes. So I pulled up to the spot right here. I didn't even take off my backpack. I just got here and casted a few casts. I think it was what, 2-3 casts? I don't remember. Something like that. But yeah, like I said, I didn't even take off my backpack. Didn't even have time to get comfortable. I just figured I'd do a couple casts, hop up river, and just continue on searching for these fish. But man, I ain't gonna lie, that fish caught me by surprise. I wasn't expecting to catch one. The water is really calm right here. There's no riffles, no current. So I mean, I just assumed it was not I just assumed there wouldn't be a fish. My hopes of a fish being here weren't very high. Anyways, I'm rambling. Anyways, so yeah, a couple casts, hooked that fish, and he felt good. I knew he was good. And he fought for a little bit, but then he stopped fighting. He was really calm, and it gave me time to grab my net, and I tried to net it, but he was a big boy. I almost didn't net it. He was a half in, half out, flopping around, and then he actually flopped out of the net, and I ended up grabbing him. But that was a big fish. Hell yeah. Alright guys, take one more look at that fish. Look at that beautiful brown trout. And he is big. Guys, I'm coming up to another clearing, and I think a fish just jumped actually. So I'm gonna creep up in there, throw a few casts. I just cast my Rapala jerkbait over some tree limbs, and I know if I retrieve it, I'm gonna lose that bait. So I'm gonna have to do some MacGyvering to get that bait back. That's my favorite bait. I'm not losing it. Bingo. Yes, we got it. There we go. Yeehaw. Favorite lure? Retrieved. It's getting late and I haven't got any more bites, so I think what I'm going to do is move, go try to find a spot where I can make some dinner. Okay guys, I found me a spot. The first spot I stopped at was a pretty nice spot, but I got my stuff all out and getting ready. Two individuals popped out of a white van and they were packing some heat, so I was like, that's a little sketchy. They started throwing branches and stuff, so I think they were camping somewhere and they were looking for firewood, but I was not gonna stick around with two fellas packing some pistols. So I jammed out of there, found another spot, found this spot right here, and actually looks really good. So I want to fish instead. There's fish jumping right there, but let's cook this fish up, and if I have time afterwards, I'll get some more fishing. But if not, we're gonna eat some dinner. A nice piece of filet, beautiful. Did you guys hear that? Those were those two guys packing heat, shooting their guns. I'm glad I got out of there. Okay, we're ready to cook. Just gonna light that. There we go. Got a flame going. You guys know it's not catch and cook trout video without the butter. Gotta have the butter. Let that melt down. Don't be afraid of the butter. Don't be afraid of the delicious goodness. Just gonna take half of that. Boom. Right in the pan. Oh yeah. If we need more, we can put more in. We're on a little tilt here. Let's see if I can adjust this. When you're out here, you gotta make do. The pan's a little tilted. To make it even, I just gotta find a rock, put it underneath, and level it out. Right there. Beautiful. Throw that bad boy right in there. We'll just let that fish cook for a few minutes and then we'll flip it over. That'll be done. Good to go. Put some seasoning on here. Some in the butter. Look at, I'm out here cooking a fish right by the river. What more could you ask for, man? It smells amazing, and there's fish dumping back there. So like I said, if I still have time after this, I'm gonna fish, see if I can get another one. Give that a flip. Oh yeah. Alright guys, the moment of truth is upon us. Check out that fish. Beautiful. Skin comes right off. So if you don't like the skin, just peel that right off. I don't mind the skin at all. And look at that. Fish, nice and flaky. Beautifully done. Cooked in butter with some seasoning. What could be easier than that? Alright guys, here we go. Trout ski, look at that. That is super good. After a long day, man, I'm hungry. I haven't eaten dinner. This is my dinner right here. Fresh catch right off the river. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful fish. Cooked in that butter, it's gonna taste amazing. Butter makes everything better. Especially trout. This trout is delicious. And I'm not just saying that, man. This fish is so good. I don't know why. Because I always cook my fish in butter and the Cavendish seasoning. But for some reason, today this fish is so good. You can really taste that butter. Maybe because I put a half a stick in there. I know. I'm just eating my fingers. I don't care. That's how good it is. I think I know why now. I put Cavendish in the butter, in the pan, and on the fish, and I put a lot of it in it. Because normally I'll season it, cook it, eat it, then I realized I need some more seasoning on it. This time I just went heavy on it. That's what it was. Don't mess around, just put the seasoning on. Who needs a fork? Who needs manners? When it's that good, just eat it. Filleting that fish like that, I think, is the way to go. You get bigger chunks of fish, less bones. And if I can perfect it, dude, that just might be it. Okay guys, last chunk of fish, and I might clean this stuff up. If I have time, I'll get some more fishing done. But if not, it was a great day and this fish was good. This was an amazing day out here. Came out here, caught some few fish, cooked it up. It was super delicious. Man, if you guys haven't caught a trout, cooked it by the river in butter and Cavendish seasoning, you guys are not, you're not doing it, man. You got to get out here and do it. It is amazing. I really recommend it. You guys should do that. Take my word for it. Hey, I want to thank every one of you that clicked on this video. I really appreciate it. And if you like the content, hit that thumbs up. It helped me out a lot. And for all you guys that are hitting the thumbs up, man, you guys rock. Keep it up. I really appreciate it. With that being said, remember guys, if you ain't fishing, you ain't living. I'll catch you on the next one.